Hey guys, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and I was just about to make a blinged out tote bag with our ProSpangle here. So I wanted to stop and turn on the camera and show you guys how it works, how much it costs to make something like this, and how long it takes. So spangles are flat holographic discs with an adhesive backing. Think almost like a sequin, but with no hole. They come on a reel, and the ProSpangle punches them out to create your design. This design is about 2,142 punches, which is about $1.07 worth of spangle material. Then the transfer sheet is about $1.04, so your total cost for the spangle transfer is $2.11. Now this particular design took about 12 minutes, but that's because of how spaced out the outer spangles are. You'll notice when the spangles are closer together, the machine runs really fast. So now we're ready to press this on our tote bag. I have a 100% cotton tote here in the color black, and these are from ColemanandCompany.com. So the best thing about spangles is that they don't just have to go on clothing. You can decorate all kinds of different accessories with these. Just gonna lay the transfer here, and we don't even need a finishing sheet here. We're just gonna press this at 288 degrees for 12 seconds. All right, so this is a warm peel, so I'll just let it cool off a little bit here before we remove this carrier sheet. Just check it. All right, and we're good. I'll remove this. And that's all there is to it. So in just a couple minutes and a few easy steps, we took a $3 tote bag and turned it into something that could easily retail for about $15 to $20. And the best thing about something with volleyball or other sports teams, cheer and dance, is it opens you up to the opportunity for bulk orders that can make you a lot of money. So if you want to learn more about the ProSpangle, or if you want something that's a little bit more smaller and compact for if you're just starting out in a bling business, we also have the Spangle Elite. So go ahead and visit ColDesiBling.com and you can live chat with one of our pros and they'll help you figure out what's best for your business.